In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit security and privacy. Then select lock screen. Tap on one of those options to pick a perfect one for you, PIN, password or pattern, and create it. Then hit continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit confirm. Now you need to manage lock screen notifications here. And even if you want to, use the switcher at the top to turn them off or on. When you're ready, hit done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!